Enjoy the race, Gavin, okay? Enjoy the race and go fast. Are you ready?
Ready! Partida! Partida! Go!
Yes! Yes!
Go! Sign up, go!
Go, Gavin! Run! Let's go, Gavin! Let's go, Luke! Let's go! Let's go, run! Let's go! Run, 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 run!
Good job! Good job,
Straight. Let's go, Luke! Run! Let's go, Luke! Let's go, Luke! Run! Go, Luke! Go, Gavin! Go, Gavin! Run! Run! Let's go, Luke! Go! Run! One more. Good job.
Good job. Last one na yan, last one. Focus, focus. Go. Focus. Straight.
Let's go, Lab. Go, Lab.
Listen.
Run, Gavin! Let's go, Lab!
Go, Gavin! Go!
Go, Lab! Sorry. Go, Lab! Go, Lab! Go, run!
Good job!
Let's go! Run! Go, Lab! Run! Woo! Go!
Good job!
Congrats po kami!
Good job, Sid!
Good job!
Go.
Good job! Okay pa!
Go.
Woo!
Go, Gavin!
All the way from Luzon, number 791, Rick Gavin Oro.
Yay! Go, Ate!
Okay, video! Wave lang! Gavin, saya! Yay!
Yay!
Spear of mixed champion, Rick Gavin Oro.
Yay! Thank you, Ate!
Hey, Gavin!
Eli!
And our champion, all the way from Luzon, Rick Gavin Oro.
Hindi, gagano siya. Gavin!
Alright, picture kids.
Uy!
Eh! Pudot! Hindi ka nag-win. Bibilis yung mga yan, okay? Pero do your best. Just do your best, okay? Just try, okay? Gavin, try and try, okay? Enjoy ka lang. Enjoy the race. Enjoy the rain, okay? Gavin yung pinakabata dito. Good luck, Gavin! Try lang! Let's go lang!
We have our top 8.
Gavin! Let's go, let's go! You didn't win. It's okay. You go fast. Hindi ka nag-win. Okay lang, di ba?
Okay.
Gavin!